Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best bread mixing bowl set available. The Pyrex Essentials 3-piece glass mixing bowls. If you're serious about baking, cooking, or just prepping meals with ease, this set is designed to become your kitchen's new best friend. The Pyrex Essentials set includes 3 glass bowls in different sizes: a 1 quart, a 1.5 quart, and a 2.5 quart bowl. Perfect for a variety of mixing tasks. Whether you're whipping up a small batch of dough or prepping larger ingredients for a feast, these bowls have you covered. What makes these bowls stand out is their versatility. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, they are incredibly durable and can handle everything from prepping to baking and even serving. One of the biggest advantages of this set is that it's safe for use in the microwave, freezer, dishwasher, and even the oven when preheated. This means you can mix your ingredients, warm them, store leftovers, and clean up easily, all without switching containers. The tempered glass is designed to resist stains and odors, so you won't have to worry about lingering smells or discoloration, which is a common problem with plastic bowls. These bowls are also low maintenance. Cleaning is a breeze since they are dishwasher safe, and their sturdy construction means they won't chip or crack easily under everyday use. The nested design helps you save precious kitchen space, making them ideal for any kitchen size. Beyond their practical use, Pyrex is a brand with a trusted reputation that spans generations. Experienced cooks and beginners alike have relied on Pyrex for reliable, affordable, and durable glassware that supports all cooking, serving, and storage needs. In summary, the Pyrex Essentials 3-piece glass mixing bowls combine versatility, durability, and ease of use in a set that's perfect for baking bread or tackling any kitchen task. If you want a reliable set of mixing bowls that can handle the heat and the mess, this is the one to go for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next one.